What's up, y'all? So I've been having another issue with the Magnum. It's something about the weather. In colder weather and when it rains, it does this jerking, almost like right before it stalls. Sometimes it stalls and sometimes it doesn't. But what I've noticed is that I hear like a clicking sound, and it comes from the rear wheel well, and it's like it wants to take off. And the gas tank, when I go to fill it up, it doesn't want to fill up, and it takes me so long to just put $10 in the gas tank, and it's kind of irritating. I had the gas tank changed, which there's a warranty out there, so if you take it to your local Dodge, I'm pretty sure they'll replace it for free. But it still didn't help it. So what I did today is I replaced the purge valve, and I'm going to replace the vapor canister. I'm going to do that in just a few. I mean, I won't know if that's the issue, but once I get it replaced and, try to go fill up, I'll go from there. But as of now, that's what I'm going to do, the vapor canister and the purge valve. Again, the tank was already replaced, so that shouldn't be the issue. I mean, it could be a defective tank, but I doubt that. But I'm going to do these two on top of that, and we'll see what happens from there. Hopefully it fixes the jolting that it does in cold weather, and that clicking sound that comes from this side of the car. But we'll see, and I'll keep you guys posted.